about to be hit with one of the biggest blizzards here in the Upper Peninsula. But I'm not gonna lie, because I just lied. We are actually in the blizzard right now. But first, we're gonna take you back about 24 to 38 hours ago and let you know how it actually started before we got to this very moment. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday evening. Blizzard severe.
Warnings all highlighted in red right along Lake Superior to impact those counties, and then winter storm warnings for the pink highlighted counties across the southern areas of the UP, leading to whiteouts and some snow drifts today through tomorrow. So a high impact for travel and a moderate to high impact for potential power outages as well.
To put a new piece of wood up here and just square it out or rectangle it out, whatever. So we're gonna cut this so that it's even. So basically we're gonna cut this little piece out and then put a new one up. Very straight. It got really messy in this area because it was already kind of ripped up. It started nice, kind of went down and went back up to being really nice again. But it doesn't matter. We just want something hard everywhere, and then we're putting up panels. So I just need to get a decent measurement for everything, which I believe was 30 by 81. All right. Let's give this a try. So halfway through, I was coughing up a storm, and I'm like, nope. Whew. Okay. This isn't perfect either, but it is what it is. I got so much shit in my eyeballs. It's like flowing in the sky. I mean, the air. This is gonna suck if it doesn't fit. But it fits. Yeah, I feel like every time you guys see us, we're either painting or sanding, so it's kind of repetitive, huh?
Yeah. Well, just get that section here left to do. And you can see where those, changing out the sand pads.
Yeah, so you see all these designs and the lack of them over there.
See over here, especially.
Over here. I mean, you
And
see them.
all the paint.
It's much better when it's like a side by side. I don't know if you guys can see the difference there. This is the split.
I did a little bit already right there,
But there's no paint anywhere.
yeah, I think I pulled out most of the paint. There might be a spot or two that I missed. Some are kind of deep in the grooves. Yes, you are too. I'm just saving you. There's concern for you.
So I should have marked where the wood was behind here. I only know about this part here, but there's one in the middle and I don't know where it is, which is not necessarily needed. There is no catch point, so I can't do anything about this. I was able to get my fingers just under here enough to feel the wall and find some support beams. So I got one here and one here. So this is good for at least the corner. Then we have this one. And then we have this one. Yep, and then the other one. And we are done for the day. Got the wall up here. Looks good. Satisfied. Alicia is officially done with sanding the floor in the bathroom, which is a big success. We did it together originally, but I had just a meltdown and never went back in there. So she did the whole thing, the majority of it. And she did great. So now she's gonna do that in this room, and that room, and that room. I'm hoping I'll be here in the morning. That is my plan, is to come in the morning. So tomorrow is Friday and then Saturday. Whether it's the full day or for a little bit. If the blizzard does not hold us back, our plan is to come back here Saturday officially just for the holiday. And we're going to take the bed that is in the RV and move it into the room that we're working on right now. Just for the evening, we'll spend the night here Saturday night, Christmas Eve, and then spend Christmas morning and most of the day here. Just kind of celebrating our new home. And then we'll make our way to go visit Alicia's family. Again, I'm attempting to come here and work on my own. I'm easier working with someone, whether they're in a different room, but I know that they're in the home with me. I don't want to come here and then I end up going, I don't want to be here. And with the blizzard, it's a lot of driving alone and scary. So I will either see you guys tomorrow and then hopefully again Saturday. And if not, this is going to be by far the shortest vlog we have ever made. So hopefully we will get together and maybe do a Q&A to kind of fill up the space. Basically about the cabin. So we will make a post about, we'll probably make some questions, some posts and stuff right now while Alicia's finishing up. Okay, anyway. Good night, guys.
Right now we're gusting 45 miles an hour. We're at the lakefront. We're at Holland Beach State Park, Omaha Beach, but we can't get into the parking lot because there's gates up. Otherwise, there are folks getting out here and then they're getting stuck. As Matt pans the camera around, you can see the visibility is about 0 at times because of the moderate to heavy snow and the wind. The temperature's now 6 degrees. The wind chill is 13 below 0. I can feel every bit of it on my exposed skin.
All right, we are about to go through, I don't even know what kind of experience, as we take the truck and the whole family of pups to the cabin so that we can spend our first evening there to celebrate Christmas. craziest whiteout blizzard ever encountered, as long as I have lived. Oh, there it is. Oh my god.
I didn't prepare for this.
I forgot that.
The plows.
Oh my god, the plows. Oh,
Let's go!
I did not think about the plows.
We're gonna have to dig out as far as we can just to at least get the truck off of the road.
Alright. So this is our driveway.
Huh?
This is what we have to dig out because of all the plows. Our mailbox. So I just measured this. It is 33 inches deep. We have to at least get through the front so that we can basically flatten out a driving path to get to the property. We didn't expect this. I wasn't even thinking. It's so cold.
I shoveled this whole way for nothing.
Maybe that's why it's going through. Because you shovel so much. This is insane.
Get out here right as I'm breaking free.
So this is how deep the snow is. You see Alicia's butt? That's how high it is.
It's up to here on the truck. We blasted through that. Got old Ford F-150.
But this is the front. Oh my god! This is insane!
Yeah, it's almost up to the window. Getting there.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're not getting the bed out.
Start digging.
So our bed is in that RV to sleep on tonight. Come on, Gizmo. Oh, shit. Babe. Go, Gizmo, go. For Christmas is you. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays!
Get 'em.
Okay. Should we give
Big
the
mouth.
doggies their gift? You guys want your
Gifts?
gifts?
What is it?
Luck, luck. Nope.
What is for
You
you?
don't want to hold this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there you go. You did it.
Get in there. Get it.
There you
Pull,
go.
pull, pull.
There you go.
Here, look.
Rip it.
Tug, tug, tug. Tug, tug, tug. Get in there.
Get it, Freckles. Gizmo, go get your toy.
Look, get in there. Get it, get it. Get it, get it. Get it, get it. Get it, look, get it, get it. Right here, babe.
Yay!
What else is in there?
Come on, Gizmo.
Get it. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, she got a treat. Oh, yeah, they're good.
That's all they're eating is the treats.
Freckles is like, I will find every niblet in there. Come on, Gizmo, get your ball. So,
Ready? Ready? Jump! Good boy!
get it, get it, get it. Get your crinkles.
You're not squeaking in.
Get your crinkles.
You got your toy, Freckles!
Is that it? Is that for the food?
Alright, now I need her to play with one of these toys. They just want the treats.
She's like, where's the treats?
Must be a lane.
With this. Get it. It's a toy. Yes. Yes. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Autobot Society! Mushroom book! Autobot Society! I'm so excited. I want a whole, like, wall of just Autobahn books. Mushrooms!
I love how you keep yours there and I've been putting everything in a box so it's easy.
This is easier for me to throw it over my shoulder.
This is where the top comes in. I was waiting for it.
I knew it. I knew you'd lose it.
This is what I meant by she was separating at everything.
Find out what it is shortly. You, babe. Whoa, that's really pretty.
It was an old box we had. You know
This
that
one?
Yeah. I've had that box for so long.
Oh my gosh.
Get closer. Perfect. And it's basically, can you tell them what it looks like? What is it?
It's mountains with sun and pretty and all the pretties.
Yep. It's got a river, mountains, the skyscape, and
Just tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. So this one I ordered and it's not quite what I expected. So I told her if she doesn't think we can use it, then maybe we'll just send it back.
this. I don't remember discussing that. I remember you said that you got something really big. It was a lot bigger than you expected. I'm assuming it's this.
No,
Oh.
it's this.
Oh. What do you use this for?
It was for spices and liquids.
I'm trying to get lighting. Now that I have spoken through about lighting.
Gotcha.
I love it though. I figure out something else. Like
It's a waxed canvas bag, so it'll get wet and all that other good stuff.
it can get wet.
you seen it before me?
Yeah.
And then you got the
That's
little
why I was like, you pick
collapsible-
out all the same stuff I do.
Yeah. And then the collapsible straws. Oh my god!
And there's should be cleaners in there.
And yep, and
for
there's,
the straws.
there is cleaners in here. I just didn't think anyone cared about cleaners.
Yeah. We care about cleanliness.
Yes.
Oh, you need me in the bladder and I have to pee right now. Thanks, baby.
Oh my god, my back hurts.
Merry
Oh god, my back hurts.
Merry Christmas. I absolutely love every single freaking gift. Huh? I'm not changing it. I love every single gift. Absolutely. Cheers. Yes. Just bend them at the knees.
Pure sugar. Okay, this is sour.
Where is it the packaging?
I don't know.
Oh, in the garbage. Well, I guess I have to catch up to you. Baby? No, I meant you need to stop.
What? Oh. Oh my god!
Swim!
I don't even know if that was perfect video or not. Okay. Come on, Gizmo. Gizmo. Here, Gizmo. Come on. Come on, Gizmo. Go. Merry Christmas. Happy holiday. Whew. Gizmo.
Love you, honey.
Love it, baby.
Go, Gizmo, go. Go, Gizmo, let's go, let's go. Go, Fred, let's go.
Go, Fred, let's go. Oh shit!
Get him on camera.
I'm getting up. We're still under our blizzard warning, but it's super light. It's more steady. It's not as windy. Since last night, getting here at the cabin, we probably gained another 8 inches of snow. But it's beautiful, and when it snows, it's not as cold. You're gonna try it. Oh shit! Baby, it's in my.
Get her, get her, get her, get her.
It's in my ear. No! goodness. Gizmo, that's not fair. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I forgot I could just turn it and zoom out. That would have been funnier.
Oh, shit.
Come here, Gizmo. Help me out. Did you get this one? Oh, that feels nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you, buddy. Can you help me up? Bear cheeks.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Freckles. Oh, it's not that cold because I'm cold.
Clean the slobber off my hand.
All right.